Good morning, children. In the previous class, I had taught you about the time chapter. In the time chapter, we discussed the latest recall part. So that you already know in class, in your previous class also. Okay. Once again, just I am going to tell you what is a clock. A clock, with the help of a clock, we measure the time. And a clock has two hands, a short hand and a long hand. The short hand is called hour hand and the long hand is called minute hand. Okay, and 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes, and in the clock you can see the small divisions are there. So each small division is called 1 minute, and there are like this total 60 divisions are there. When the minute hand moves from one number to another number, like from 12 to 1, it takes 5 minutes. Okay, then 1 to 2, 5 minutes. So like this, when you measure the time, that time, you see here how we measure the time. See, when the minute hand is on 12, okay, and now it reached on 4. That means how many minutes are passed? So from 12 to 4, how many minutes? 12 to 1, 5 minutes. Then 1 to 2, 5 minutes. 5 plus 5, 10. Plus 5, 15. Plus 5, 20. So when the minute hand is in 4, it will be calculated as 20 minutes. Okay. Because the long hand is called minute hand. And then we calculate the short hand. Okay. Like this. The short hand is on 1, so it is 120. Okay, 1 hour and 20 minutes, or the time is 120. Okay, so like this we calculate. So when the minute hand will be on 7, then how many minutes? See, from 12 to 7, how many minutes? So you can skip count 5 like this from 12, or the easiest way is wherever the minute hand is there, you multiply that number by 5. Okay, 7 5s are 35. So it is 35 minutes. When the minute hand will be at 7, it will be 35 minutes. 7 5s are 35. When the minute hand or the long hand will be on 10, then how many minutes? 10 5s are 50. So 50 minutes. Okay, so like this you can calculate the minute. Okay, so if it is on 1, then 1 5s are 5 minutes. 2 5s are 10. 3 5s are 15. So like this, when the minute hand will be on 5, it is 5. 1, it is 5 minutes. 10, it is 2, it is 10 minutes. Like this we calculate. Now see, this is just for your reference I am showing you. Okay, this is a revision part, or latest recall part. Write the time shown on each clock face. You can see the clock face here. What is the exact time here? 10 o'clock. So when it is 10 o'clock, that time the hour hand will be exactly on 10, short hand, and the minute hand will be exactly on 12. This is 10 o'clock, or 10, this dot and 00. The first two number is this digit shows you the hour, and the last two digits shows the minutes. So now what is the time? See here. Here the hour hand or the hour hand or the short hand is in between 7 and 8. So in this case, you will calculate 7. Okay. So because it has already crossed 7. So that means 7 hours are already crossed. Then how to calculate minute? I had told you the minute hand is on 6. So 6 5s are 30. So it is 30 minutes. And how many hours? 7 hours. 7:30. Okay. Or you can write 7:30. Okay. This also you write as 7:30. Next you see the time. It is hour hand is an 8 and minute hand is an 3. 3 5s are 15. Okay. So how many minutes are there? 15 minutes and 8 hours. So you can write here 8:15, or 15 minutes past 8. And this 15 minutes past also we tell as quarter past. That also you remember, we tell it as quarter past. Okay. And it is called half past. It is quarter past. And then you see the clock here, the hour hand is between 6 and 7, so that means the hour is 6 will calculate, not 7, because the hour hand has crossed 6 hours. Okay, 7 hours, it is till now, it is not 7. Okay, only cross 6. The how many minutes are left for 7? You see, if the minute hand from 9 it will move to 12, then it will be 7. Then how many minutes are left? 9 to 10, 5. 10 to 11, 5. 11 to 12, 5. So 5 plus 5 plus 5. Total 15 minutes are left for 7. So 6 o'clock is already there. So it is 6. Okay. And then calculate how many minutes are there. The minute hand is a 9. So 9 5s are 45. So 6:45. You can write 6:45, or you can write quarter to. Quarter to means 15 minutes to. Okay. Quarter to 7. That means 15 minutes are left to 7. Okay. Or you can write in this way, 6:45, the easy way. But you should remember this also. Next, when the minute hand will be on 3, you can write quarter past. When the minute hand will be on 9, you can write quarter to. Okay. So it is 6 o'clock and the minute hand is on 3. You can write 6:15, or you can write 15 minutes past 6 or quarter past 6. Quarter past 6. Same way, see here, it is minute hand is a 9 and it has already crossed 7. So it is 7 and 9 5s are 45. 7:45. And here we can write quarter to. Okay, quarter to. Quarter to means 15 minutes are left to what? 8. Okay, now we will not write quarter to 7. 15 minutes to 8 means to be 8 o'clock, there are 15 minutes left. Okay, so quarter to 8 or 7:45. So do practice. Okay, and remember, if it is on 3 minute hand, you can write quarter past or 15 minutes past. If it is on 9, you can write quarter to. And when you are writing quarter to, that time you have to write the hour, not the previous one, you have to write the next. Okay. Half past means always the minute hand will be on 6. Okay, because 1 hour equal to 60 minutes. Half past means half of 1 hour equal to 30 minutes. So 30 minutes past means half past. Okay, so it is 6:30 or half past 6. Like this, quarter past 5. Quarter past 5 means 5 o'clock. After 5 o'clock, in quarter past, I had told you the minute hand will be on 3. So draw the hand like this. It is quarter past 5 or 5:15. Quarter to 9. In quarter to 9, the minute hand will be on 9. And quarter to means 15 minutes to 9. That means till now it is not 9. It has crossed 8. So the hour hand will be in between 8 and 9. Already crossed 8 and 15 minutes are left to 9. So it is quarter to 9 or 8:45. Next, 6 o'clock. It is exactly in o'clock, 10 o'clock, 5 o'clock. You see 6 o'clock, the hour hand or short hand will be on 6. Okay. And the long hand or minute hand will be on 12. So distinguish between the long hand and short hand. The short hand should be looked like short and long hand should be looked like long. Okay, clearly it should be visible. Or you can write 6:00, 6 o'clock. Now quarter to 11. I already told you quarter to 11 means in quarter to means 15 minutes are left. That means you have to draw the minute hand at 9. Okay, quarter to 11. That means 10 o'clock is already crossed and 11 o'clock is left. So draw the short hand in between 10 and 11. Quarter to 11 means it is 10:45, not 11:45. In quarter past you can write the hour, but in quarter to you have to write the previous hour that is already crossed. Okay. Half past 5 means 5 o'clock is already crushed, so the hour hand will be in between 5 and 6, and the minute hand will be exactly on 6. Okay, half past means 30 minutes past, so it is 5:30. Okay, so do remember about half past, quarter past and quarter to. So this you had already known about or taught. This is taught you in class second also, and I was just revising you for you to remember all these things once again to refresh your mind.